The OnePlus 9 series already includes 3 phones under it, where the least expensive phone is the OnePlus 9R and the most expensive phone is the OnePlus 9 Pro. As we know, OnePlus launches its T series phones in the second half of the year, and this year is not going to be any different. Now last year, one change that OnePlus did in its launch strategy was that in the second half of the year we only got one phone under the T series named the OnePlus 8T. There was no 8T Pro like the year before. So this time as well, OnePlus is going to launch only one phone under the T series, and no, it is not the OnePlus 9T. Instead, the OnePlus 9R is getting an upgrade in the form of OnePlus 9RT. So ignoring the weird name for a moment, this name shows that this phone will use the OnePlus 9R as a foundation and will offer some upgrades on top of that. A report by AndroidCentral reveals some of the specifications of the OnePlus 9RT, and talking about those, the phone has the same 120Hz AMOLED and also the same 4500 mAh battery with 65W fast charging. One of the upgrades include a slightly tweaked version of Snapdragon 870 as compared to what the OnePlus 9R offers. Also, in terms of the optics, the OnePlus 9RT will come with a primary 50MP Sony IMX766 sensor. For comparison, the OnePlus 9R has a 48MP Sony IMX586 sensor. This is the same camera sensor that is there on the OnePlus Nord 2 and also the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro. Now in case of the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro, this sensor is used for ultra wide shots, but on the OnePlus 9RT, it will be the primary camera sensor, just as in case of the OnePlus Nord 2. And finally, one interesting thing about this phone is that it is going to be the first OnePlus phone running Oxygen OS 12 out of the box, which is based on Android 12. Oxygen OS 12 will mostly be similar to the Color OS, but with some OnePlus add-ons like the OnePlus Launcher, Zen Mode, Shelf and more. So for now, that is all we know about the OnePlus 9RT, and as far as the availability is concerned, it is said to be exclusive for the Indian and the Chinese market. The phone will launch in October, so there is still time for the launch. Surely we will get to know more about this phone in the coming month. So yeah, that is all about this video, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.